How to add gift card to Tesco 2025 method. If you've ever bought a Tesco gift card and wondered how to use it quickly and efficiently in 2025, this guide is for you. Adding a gift card to your Tesco account may seem simple, but most people get it wrong, or they miss key steps that can save time and ensure the funds are applied correctly. Today, we're going to break it all down, step by step, so that whether you're shopping in store or online, you can use your Tesco gift card without hassle. Let's start with the basics. Tesco gift cards can be used at Tesco stores, Tesco Online, Tesco Express, and even Tesco petrol stations. They are essentially preloaded debit cards that are restricted to Tesco purchases. This makes them ideal for gifts, budgeting, or simply controlling your spending on groceries and essentials. But knowing how to add the card to your Tesco account is what makes it truly convenient, especially if you prefer online shopping. The surprising truth is that many people try to enter the gift card code at checkout without first linking it to their online account. This often results in errors or delays. The 2025 method streamlines this process, allowing you to add your gift card to your Tesco Club Card account so that funds are applied automatically whenever you shop. Here's how to do it step by step. First, you need a ** Tesco Club Card account **. If you don't already have one, visit the Tesco website or download the Tesco app. Sign up with your name, email, and a secure password. Most people overlook this step, but having a Club Card account is essential to manage gift cards online and track your balance. Once your account is active, log in and navigate to the ** gift cards section **. This is usually located under My Club Card or Account Settings, depending on whether you're on the app or the website. Next, you'll see an option to ** add gift card **. Click on this, and a form will appear asking for your gift card number and the PIN. Both of these are located on the back of your physical card, usually covered by a scratch-off panel or included in the digital gift card email. Be careful to enter the numbers exactly as they appear, because a single wrong digit will prevent the card from being added. Once you enter the gift card number and PIN, click ** add to account **. At this point, the system will verify the card. If it's valid, the balance will be transferred to your Tesco account. You'll receive a confirmation message showing your new balance. Many people don't realize this step is crucial because the card itself isn't directly used for online checkout. Instead, the funds are applied from your account balance when you make purchases. Now, let's cover ** using the gift card online **. When shopping on Tesco.com, add your groceries or products to your cart as usual. At checkout, you'll see a payment option that allows you to ** apply your gift card balance **. The system will automatically deduct the amount from your linked gift card balance. If your order exceeds the balance on your gift card, you can pay the remaining amount with another payment method, such as a debit card, credit card, or PayPal. This flexibility makes it easy to shop without worrying about splitting payments manually. For ** and store shopping **, the process is even simpler. When you go to a Tesco store or Tesco Express, tell the cashier you'd like to use your gift card. They will scan the card or you can enter the gift card number if it's digital. If you've already added it to your online account, some stores may allow you to link it to your Club Card and use it at the register automatically. This ensures you don't need to carry the physical card if you prefer convenience. Now let's talk about ** tracking your balance **. Once a gift card is added, you can always log into your Tesco account or open the Tesco app to see your current balance. This is particularly useful if you shop frequently or have multiple gift cards. Some users make the mistake of thinking the balance is automatically visible in store without linking it to their Club Card, but checking online ensures you know exactly how much you have left. The Tesco app even allows you to receive notifications when your balance is low, preventing surprises at checkout. An important tip for 2025, ** digital gift cards ** are increasingly popular. If you received your Tesco gift card by email, the process is similar. Simply log into your account, navigate to add a gift card, and enter the digital card number and PIN. Many people think digital gift cards work automatically without linking to their account, but adding them ensures the balance is ready for use and prevents errors during checkout. Another frequently asked question is whether ** multiple gift cards ** can be combined. The answer is yes. Tesco allows you to link several gift cards to a single account, making it easy to consolidate funds. Simply repeat the process for each card, and the total balance will appear in your account. This is a huge advantage, especially during the holiday season, when you might receive multiple gift cards. Now, let's address common errors One of the most common issues is entering the gift card number or PIN incorrectly. Always double-check your entry, and if the card is physical, make sure any scratch-off panel is fully removed. Another issue is trying to use an expired gift card. Tesco gift cards do have an expiry date, so always check that your card is valid before attempting to add it to your account. Finally, ensure that your club card account is active and verified, as unverified accounts may not allow you to link gift cards. For those who like planning ahead adding your gift card to your account before big shopping trips can save time and reduce stress. You'll know exactly how much money is available and can plan your purchases accordingly. Plus, with online checkout, you won't have to worry about carrying multiple cards or counting cash. There are also benefits for budgeting. Using gift cards effectively allows you to manage spending and avoid overspending on groceries and essentials. Since the funds are preloaded, you can allocate a specific budget for Tesco shopping each month, helping you control your expenses. This is particularly helpful for families, students, or anyone trying to stick to a monthly budget. Another key feature of the 2025 method is the integration with Tesco Club Card Points. If you shop using a gift card link to your Club Card account, you will still earn points on your purchases. This is important because some people assume gift card payments do not generate loyalty points. In reality, linking your gift card allows you to earn Club Card points on every transaction, maximizing your rewards and giving you extra value. Let's briefly touch on security. Tesco gift cards are generally secure, but it's important to treat them like cash. Never share your gift card number or PIN publicly. Digital cards should be stored in secure emails or the Tesco app. Adding them to your Tesco account is also a safer option than carrying a physical card, because it reduces the risk of loss or theft. Finally, a pro tip for convenience. Consider adding your gift card to your Tesco app's wallet feature. This allows you to access your balance quickly, scan your card in store, and track points simultaneously. The app can also send alerts for special promotions, where your gift card balance can be maximized, giving you additional value for your spending. In conclusion, adding a gift card to Tesco in 2025 is straightforward when you follow the proper steps. Create or log into your Tesco Club Card account, enter the gift card number and PIN, and confirm the balance. Once linked, you can use it online or in store, consolidate multiple cards, earn Club Card points, and manage your budget effectively. Most people get this wrong by skipping the account link step or entering incorrect details, but by following this method, your Tesco shopping experience becomes faster, safer, and more rewarding. So, whether you're a regular Tesco shopper, using a gift card as a gift, or trying to manage your grocery budget, this method ensures that your funds are accessible, secure, and ready whenever you need them. With these steps, you'll never struggle with adding a Tesco gift card again.